Hey, everyone! Welcome back to How to Install Zone, your go-to source for streaming tips and tricks. In today's video, I'll show you how to watch Waka TV on any device, including Firestick, Android TV box, smart TV, and mobile phones. Make sure to stick around till the end for a complete step-by-step guide. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Waka TV is a popular streaming app and IPTV service that offers over 200 live TV channels and 60,000 movies and TV shows. Whether you love sports, news, entertainment, music, or reality TV, Waka TV has something for everyone. Since this app isn't available on official app stores, you'll need to sideload it onto your device. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the entire process. Before we jump into the installation, let's take a quick look at some of the features of Waka TV. Huge library of live TV and on-demand content. Works on multiple devices. Easy-to-use interface. HD streaming quality with adjustable resolution. 7-day free trial to test the service before subscribing. Inbuilt media player. No need for an external one. Waka TV is a third-party app, which raises some concerns regarding safety and legality. To check for security risks, I scanned the APK file using VirusTotal, and no threats were detected. However, its legality is a gray area since it provides access to premium content at a low cost. To stay safe while streaming, it's always a good idea to use a reliable VPN to protect your privacy and keep your activity anonymous. After the 7-day free trial, you'll need to purchase a subscription. Here's the pricing: monthly plan, $8 annual plan, $80 My Family Cinema Monthly, $2.37 My Family Cinema Annual, $18.99. You can buy a subscription via an online reseller, an authorized retail outlet, or a third-party platform. I'll show you how to purchase a subscription from Panel. Visit Sales, Noverzellard, XYZ, and create an account. Follow the seller using UID 1582266330189422594. Choose your Waka TV package and click Buy Now. Select USD as your currency and complete the payment. Receive your recharge code via email and use it to activate your subscription. Since Waka TV isn't available on the Amazon App Store, you'll need to sideload it using the Downloader app. Follow these steps. Part 1. Preparing your Firestick. Install the Downloader app from the Amazon store. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options. Turn on apps from unknown sources. Part 2. Installing Waka TV. Open Downloader and enter the code 47016 or visit http://aftv/news/47016. Download and install the Waka TV APK file. Once installed, click Done and delete the APK file to free up space. That's it. You've successfully installed Waka TV on Firestick. To access Waka TV, open the app and allow necessary permissions. The main menu includes live TV, movies and series, profile, and subscription. Browse live TV channels or explore thousands of movies and shows. Use the search bar to find specific content. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to watch Waka TV on any device. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more streaming guides. Looking for a secure way to stream? Check out the link in the description for a NordVPN service to protect your online activity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.